Hello everybody, my name is Ismael Campos. Now I'm 31 years old. I'm born in Costa Rica, but I'm living here in Colombia. I have lived here in Colombia around 6 years. Now I'm married with a Colombian girl. I have one boy. He's 5 years old. He's our life, and I think that he is the best of my life. Now I want to tell you that I'm studying Bachelor of English as a Foreign Language, and I am on 9th semester. I think that when I started to learn English, it was very difficult because I didn't have money. But I had the luck that when I was young, around when I was 13 or 14 years old, I was living with a family from USA. I remember that was difficult, the communication, because they don't speak Spanish, and I just speak Spanish. So I think that was funny because I was living with them around 10 months. I don't remember well, but was very, very important for me because that was the door that pushed me to follow to continue my road. I remember that they taught me all that I know. For that reason, I think so that the best strategy that you can learn, that you can use for improve your speaking, is sing songs with lyrics. That is very important because I remember that they put me YouTube, and they told me, Ismael, please sing the song and listen the words. I remember that was the first time that I started to sing, because I really don't sing, so for me it's very difficult, and I have to say that I sing very terrible. Also talk with native people is I think the best strategy, because you can hear the sound of the words, and if you have any question, you can ask them. And I know that the people from another language, in this case the English people, they will go to help you, and they will try to explain you the best way. Also use application where I can record myself. This is a good strategy because you can record your word, and you can say you can get back to the recording and see what was wrong or what you said bad, and you can try to adapt the sound of the word. That means that my application or apps can help you, because it's very easy to use, and now you can find anywhere and everywhere, and also you can use it anywhere. You can take it on your pocket, and that's easy to learn. I think that is all I can say. Also, I have to say that for me it's very difficult recording myself. I hope this video be very useful, and the last thing that I have to say is thank you, and have a good night. Bye.